What's up, fellow cashback users? Today I'm going to show you how to buy an eVoucher through your cashback. eVoucher is, in other words, electronic gift card that is now available for large retail and chain stores. So I'm going to go to my cashback app. There's two ways to get to it. In the upper corner here, you see the symbol. That's the eVoucher. So I click that button. I can see the list of different countries. Obviously, we're in North America, so I can select any of these categories. Let's say I want Walmart. So I'm going to select Walmart. Choose, let's say, one $50 gift card, click next, click credit card, accept the conditions, place a binding order. Here I have my card already stored. You can choose any other one, and then you click next and you purchase the card. So I'm going to cancel the transaction because I already have one. Another way to get to the same place is to go here in your profile, my vouchers and deals, purchase eVoucher, click on that. It takes you through exactly the same menu. Again, Walmart, then you select the gift card, you select the value, and you buy. Let me show you the eVouchers where they're stored. So for example, I have a $50 gift card already that I purchased. So I go here. In order to use it at the store as I'm on the checkout, I would go first here. There's a code to copy. Not everybody has that, but Walmart specifically wants validation. Click here to open eVoucher. This is the validation key that I just copied. I go and I click paste, go to the e-gift card. At the cashier desk, at the checkout, I would have this code scanned, or they can also type it in, and I would use it as regular cash. That's how easy it is. Hope it helps. Take care, guys.